All right. It's Brian Frell, and I'm back. So today we're going to go ahead and do a quick little update from the video I made just a couple days ago when I was showing you guys how we do our withdrawals for the crypto platforms that we've got into, whether they be free websites or ones that we've made a little bit of deposit in, so we want to get paid quicker. Now, the other day when I did my withdrawal video, CoinPot was actually one of the sites that did not pay at that time. Like I said, they gave an alert saying that the faucet was out of funds to pay out withdrawal requests at that time. So I've come back here a couple days later, and I was actually able to get a withdrawal done successfully and instantly did my faucet pay wallet. And we'll go ahead and I'll show you that now. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. So popping over my faucet pay account, I've collected the rewards here for logging in, you know, consecutive days in a row. You'll see that CoinPot did actually pay out the BTC here on April 12th, 2022. And then we'll go ahead and we'll do another one today so we can see another payout here, make sure that it's still working out. Because as I said, everything you do in life, online and offline, is a risk, but you gotta, accept the risk for your own actions, and of course, seek financial advice from a professional regarding on a financial situation. But most importantly, you never want to spend money that you can't afford to lose. So I'm showing you these sites because they are free sites, so you don't have to lose any money. Just go ahead and take a little bit of time, follow directions, follow my videos, take a little bit of action, get paid a little bit of crypto, rinse, and repeat. Keep doing the same thing over and over again. And just come in, get your free money, cash out. Free money, cash out. Take a little action, cash out. Show your friends if you want to. Get more money, cash out. If you decide you want to make a deposit because you want to take advantage of the ads or get paid at a higher level quicker, of course, do that if you feel it's necessary, but you don't have to. Then again, cash out. So the whole key here is crypto K's and then crypto cashes out. All right, cool. So here we are on CoinPot. Let's go ahead and let's check on the faucet claim. Let's do a couple of quick collections here, real quick. Show you that my best features that I like. So they're still working here. Close out that little ad. Come right here. We're waiting for the timer to count down right here in the middle. And boom, we'll close and collect. We'll go ahead and check the anti-bot links. Fire, lion, tiger, and it's like upside down picture. Boom. Always want to click boost here. You can claim it's just a regular rewards, but if you boost it, you'll get a boost amount of coins added. So I got 55.618 coins instead of the typical just 50.5625 coins. And you can do that every 5 minutes. And then I also like to come down here to the point to click and surf these ads real quick, get paid off of these ads, and they're very, very easy to do. 7 seconds to get 25 coins. 7 seconds, 25 coins, and these can do this over and over and over again. I'll just go ahead and take care of just one of them real quick here just to show you for time's sake that this is still paying out. Once you come here, you don't have to do anything except wait for the timer to count down. Once timer does count down, then you can go ahead and confirm. Pressing the upside down picture shows that you are a real person and not a robot. So you can go ahead and get paid. Jump back over to CoinPot, and you'll see we got paid 25 coins. There we are. Go to our dashboard, and you'll see that we now have 1,103 coins. And then when we go to withdraw, we'll see that this tells us that we need to have a verified email address. Like I told you guys before, use a Gmail address to do this. And then I always like to get paid out to my faucet pay account because it pays instantly, and I like to get paid out in Bitcoin. So we'll go ahead and grab Bitcoin right here. The minimum payout is 1,000 coins, and there's no fees to withdraw. So 1,000 coins, I have 1,103, will generate this amount of BTC. We'll go ahead and scroll up here, confirm we have your faucet pay email address keyed in right here, and click withdraw. It'll confirm that I want to use faucet pay as my wallet source, paid out in Bitcoin, cashing in this many coins to receive this much Bitcoin, and this is my faucet pay email address. We'll go ahead and confirm that. And we'll see, boom, good job. 1,103 coins have been sent to your account. Great, great, great. Jump back over to faucet pay. This is the one from previously. Let's refresh. And then we'll refresh again. Maybe if you get one of these pages, just refresh, no big deal. and boom, there's faucet paid here April 13th. Okay, so we got paid again because CoinPot is still paying out, and I love this site. I've been using it for just a few months here. It's pretty new here in 2022, but it's very easy to do. You do not need any referrals. You did not need to put any money in. Of course, if you do share this with people, or if you deposit money into paying for the ads, then you'll get paid quicker because you'll earn off your referrals earnings, or you'll earn from other people clicking on your links that you've advertised here on the website. And if you got any kind of, any other kind of program that you're in that you want to advertise, you can do that all here in CoinPot. You can just jump right down here and you can buy some ads. Okay, that way you can advertise, whatever it is that you want other people to join you in. It's a great way to use this free website to start some advertising and get people to look at your other ventures there as well. So with that being said, just want to show you guys that this is still paying out. It's very easy to do. Like I said, you want to go ahead and use the verified email address. I believe Gmail is going to be the best one. You don't want to use a VPN on this site. There are some other sites that you probably should use a VPN on, like if you're trading crypto on different exchanges. Like I use Margex as one of my trading platforms, and I trade this free crypto I earn here. I go into that website and I trade it, and as the price fluctuates, go up and down for Bitcoin, and I get paid off of that. So pretty easy to take this free money and flip it into getting paid over and over and over again with other great programs. So below this video, you will see the links on getting started with CoinPot. And of course, I'll leave a link to my YouTube channel where I show you all these other videos I've made on different platforms. You can earn crypto, free, or you might have a deposit depending on the platform, depending on what the method is of earning. And of course, on each and every one of these, if you actually click on the actual video and then go right below it, like I'm showing you here, just go right below the video, click show more, and it shows you right here, and you will see my links to the other programs that I am referred to in the video. And then I always go down and also put the same information in the comments as the first pinned link right here. So if you click read more, under the pinned comments, you can see the same information there as well. So if your message information might be cut off here in the description, sometimes they cut off these links for the referrals, and you might need to copy the full link. So if you do need to copy it, then you might just have to slide down here to where the comments are, and in the comments you'll see that they have the full length, and it's not been truncated or cut short and shortened by Facebook, and therefore you can copy the full link here. If you need to copy the full link, it's very easy to do. Just go ahead and grab your link and make it work for you. But like I said, I always want to show you guys the easiest way to make crypto here in 2022. If you got any suggestions, go ahead and drop me a comment and below this video. Let me know, what you're doing with your crypto here in 2022. And then, of course, go ahead and press that like button because I know you like making that crypto. And hit the subscribe button so you can add to my YouTube channel. Of course, hit the bell icon so you get notified each and every time I come online and start making different videos showing you how to make the different crypto each and every day. My way, your way, let's get paid. All right? Brian Farrell signing out. Peace.